In this video, we will show how to insert an infill in SeismoStruct. After creating our structural model, in the Element Classes tab, we select the infill. And we click Add. In the dialog window, we first assign a name to the element class. And we click the drop-down menu in the Section Type field. Here, we select the infill. Next, we need to specify the curve types of the element. We first select the INF-strut curve. And secondly the INF shear curve, both used to define the masonry strut hysteresis model. We can edit the properties by double-clicking on the parameter field. And we click OK. After defining all the parameters for the infill, we proceed to the Element Connectivity tab. Here, we first select the Add button. In the dialog window that opens, we enter a name to the element we want to insert. And then we select the corresponding element class. For nodes need to be defined, for this element type. These correspond to the corners of the infill panel. Must be entered in anti-clockwise sequence, starting from the lower left-hand corner, and must all belong to the same plane. For the first node, we select node N011, for the second node, we select node N021. For the third node N121. And for the fourth node N111. Once all nodes are defined, we click OK. And the infill is inserted into the model.